Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Samsung SmartThings on a new Galaxy phone. Complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Samsung SmartThings on your new Galaxy phone, start by unlocking your device. Locate and open the SmartThings app from your app drawer. If you cannot find it, use the search feature to type in SmartThings. Once the app is open, if you don't have an account, tap on Create Account to set one up. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your personal details and create your Samsung account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and tap Sign In. After signing in, you will see the SmartThings main screen. Next, tap the plus icon to add a new device to your SmartThings setup. Choose between device and scene to add items or create automations. Select device if you want to connect a new smart home device. A list of compatible device types will appear. Select the category of your device. Follow the instructions specific to the device you are adding. Ensure the device is powered on and in pairing mode. Your phone will search for available devices. Once your device appears on the screen, select it to begin the pairing process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. After successfully adding your device, you can customize settings and automations. Explore the SmartThings dashboard to see your connected devices. You can create routines by tapping on Routines and then Add Routine. This allows you to automate tasks based on your preferences. Once you've set everything up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Adjust settings, notifications, and device controls as needed. Congratulations! You have successfully activated Samsung SmartThings on your new Galaxy phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.